Alright, what is good, Crashers? You already know, it's your boy Rockin' Ryno. Welcome back to another video, where today we're going to be making some homemade pie crust. I did this in my rhubarb pie video, but I thought this crust is so good, it deserves its own video. And this crust makes a top and a bottom crust, so if you only need one crust, you can cut the recipe in half. This is my Grannyma's pie crust recipe, and let's get into the ingredients. For this pie crust, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar. You're going to need 8 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of lard. I used lard, but you can also use vegetable shortening or you can use butter. These work just as good. It's going to change the texture and flavor just a little, but they work just as well. And then we also got 4 cups of flour. Let's get straight into it. Oh, and 1 egg. First, you're going to want to crack your egg and add it into the water along with your vinegar. Then you're going to want to beat that together until it forms a faint yellow liquid. Then you're going to want to add your salt to your flour and mix that all together until everything is evenly incorporated. Afterwards, add the lard to the flour. Cut the lard into the flour and make sure your hands aren't greasy so you can keep a tight grip. Then add your egg mixture to the flour and lard mixture and mix it all together like so, until it begins to form a smooth ball of dough. Looks like there's a Ryno at the bottom of the bowl. Does that say rynobakes in the front? Crazy. Shout out to one of my subscribers, Lena. Let the dough rest 10 minutes and then separate the dough in half, straight down the middle. If you want, you can use a scale to weigh each side. I eyeballed it, but if you want to go exact, you can use a scale. But take one part of the dough and smooth it out into a ball, and then flour your workstation so that nothing sticks to your workstation. And flour your rolling pin too. And then take your dough and form it into kind of a circle, so that way when you roll it out, it's more of a circle shape. And then you're going to want to flour the top of your dough so that the rolling pin doesn't stick to the dough. And then begin to roll your dough out into about 1/2 inch thick circle, like so. Then you're going to want to slowly and gently peel the crust away from the table so that nothing tears, and then gently place it in the pie pan. Then you're going to want to push the pie dough gently against the pie pan so that nothing tears. And then after that, you're going to want to cut the excess pie dough away from the pie pan. And watch till the end of the video to find out what we do with that extra dough. Then repeat with the rest of the dough. Alright, Crashers, we just got done making this absolutely stunning pie crust, and I can already tell it's going to be good because rynobakes made it. But this pie crust, we've made it many times, and it is delicious. It's nice, and it's got like a nice flaky texture, and the flavor is amazing. It goes well with pot pies, berry pies, chicken pot pies, rhubarb pies, apple pies, it goes good with any pie. Or, if you want to bake it on your own and just eat it on its own, you can do that too. We posted a video on TikTok about what to do with your extra pie. Go check it out. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to YouTube. Like, comment, and share with all your friends.
Like, what's your favorite Rockin' Ryno moment?
My favorite Rockin' Ryno moment is when I made some rhubarb pie.
Awesome.